If you haven't been living under the rock for the last few months, then you must have heard of NVIDIA. Right now, NVIDIA is hot potato. Everyone wants to work with NVIDIA. You can say that NVIDIA is the new Google of today. This job is of site reliability engineer with networking support at NVIDIA. This job is a remote job based in Sweden and UK. But I think there is also some on-site part because the job description says that the person should be adept at moving and removing stuff, especially the network devices from the data center, from the racks. So some physical labor might be involved. Plus, for the Sweden one, it has to be near Gävle in Sweden. You should have some diploma or some sort of degree in IT, but you must have some SRE experience, especially 4 years site reliability engineer on large scale distributed microservices in a production environment will be very useful. Plus, you should also be able to operate network devices and pull cables over the racks in a data center environment. So you should be able to work independently, autonomously, because I think that is what NVIDIA cherishes most. If you are autonomous and if you're hardworking, NVIDIA is the place to be. You should also have knowledge of TCP/IP protocol and networks and troubleshooting tools. Knowledge of Linux operating system and associated tools is also a huge plus. So if you want to work with NVIDIA, if you're based in Sweden or in UK, then go to NVIDIA's careers page and apply from there. Thanks for listening.